Alright, so to create a user profile, we first need to create a URL pattern, right? So let's go to code. Okay, my code is closed. Let me open this. Alright, let me first clear, close all these tabs. So I'll go to this accounts app and urls.py, and here I'll create a new path. I'll say edit underscore profile, copy and paste it here, and this is also edit profile. Okay, so the next thing we need to create this view, right? So I'll go to views and scroll to the bottom, and I'll create a new view. Define edit profile with the request. Let's first render HTML, return render request comma accounts slash edit profile.html. okay, so we don't have edit profile.html, so what we can do, we can copy this myorders.html. I'll copy this myorders and paste it here. So now I'll rename it edit profile.html. okay, so I'll open this edit profile.html and I'll remove this. okay, so instead of this your order history, I'll say edit your profile. okay, I will just go to this edit profile, and now you can see edit profile. So this is now this table we don't need, so I will get rid of this, and this is the table, right? So I will remove this table. okay, and also we'll go to this includes and header sidebar. so here I will link this URL. okay, URL space edit profile, and this active class also we want to put, right? So I will copy this and paste it here. so this is now if edit underscore profile in request path, then this is active, right? so I'll just refresh, and now you can see this is highlighted and this is highlighted, so links also working fine. So the next thing, we need to design this page, right? We have to put a form here, so we will make a rough form. okay, then after that we will render the model form. okay, so for the CSS purpose we will create a HTML form for now. so I'll go to this edit profile.html. so we have a class of call md12, right? so here I'll make a form. let's give a form action later. so for now let's say method equals post. okay, and this is csrf underscore token. so now first we need to be able to edit first name and last name, right? so that should be right and left side. so what I'll do, I'll create a div with the class of form row. okay, and inside this I'll create a div with the class of form group, also with the class of call md6. okay, so inside here I'll make a label. I don't need any for, I'll just need a label, and this is first name. okay, so this is first name now. so also I'll make a input type text. okay, input type text, let it be all these names and ID, because however we are going to remove this. okay, so because we will be rendering Django model form, right? So just for the reference, we are making this input text. Okay, so once this is done, I'll copy this and paste it right below this first name. So now this is last name. And also what I'll do, I'll make a class is equal to form control. Okay, form control. So this is also form control. Let me see how it looks. All right, so first name, last name. So similarly, I'll need a I'll need a phone number and the profile picture, right? All right, I'll copy this div, this form group, and paste it here. So this is now phone number and profile picture. Okay, for the profile pictures, input type file. All right, so now we have a phone number and profile picture. Okay, so let's see what else we need. We'll go to this accounts and models. We are using first name and last name and phone number from this account model. Okay, so remaining things like address, line 1, line 2, profile picture, city, state, country, we will be taking from this user profile. Okay, so first we will make address line 1 and line 2. What I'll do, I will actually make a form div with the class of form control, form group. Okay, then inside this I'll make a label and this text, this is type equal to text, and this is address line 1. I'll copy this and paste it, address line 2. Now it should be single line, right? So address line 1 line and 2 line. All right, so what else we need? We need this line 1, line 2, profile picture is done, city, state, country, right? So for city, state, country, I'll copy this form row and here I will paste it. So now this is call MD6. I'll make it 4 and also I'll make it 4. So similarly I'll put one more. Okay, and now we have 1 2 3, right? So this is city and this is state and city, state and country. Okay, so this is not file, this is text and this is also text. Let me refresh. All right, we have address line 1, line 2, city, state and country. Okay, and one more save button. Okay, I'll make a save button. So I'll make input type submit. Okay, so value will be save. Now I refresh and we got the save button, but let's give a class equal to btn space btn primary so that we get the colored button. All right, so now this part is done. So the next thing is we need to create a form, right? We actually need to create two forms. One is for user profile and one more is for account, this user. All right, so we will actually create these forms in the next video. Okay, thank you.